We understand that the Prime Minister had a one-on-one meeting for half an hour yesterday with Ken Clarke, his Justice Secretary, where he was effectively ordered back to the drawing board over the sentencing reforms. It had proved very controversial. Now, remember, Ken Clarke was one of the first ministers out of the bloc to come up with savings in his budget, and he really is paying the price for it now, because the government is trying to balance the need for reform and the need to reduce the deficit, alongside pushing through policies that are politically very unpopular. Now, Tory backbenchers are very angry at what they feel is losing their reputation on law and order, and they've been really gunning for Ken Clarke. And it's just to talk you through what this is likely to mean and what the details of Ken Clarke's very controversial sentencing review is. The original plans include a proposal to offer criminals a 50% reduction in sentences for an early guilty plea. Now, those now look set to be ditched or at least heavily diluted. There could also now be a question mark over proposals to scale back the power of judges to give indeterminate sentences, reserving this for exceptionally serious cases where the sentence is at least 10 years. Now, judges can currently give indeterminate sentences for a list of 95 serious crimes, which includes indecent assault. Now, the Ministry of Justice has already had its budget slashed by 25%, which has led to record cuts in legal aid as the department battles to make savings. And I do think this is really the key point. If these sentencing plans are shelved, then Ken Clarke is going to have to make savings of around £100 million or more to his budget. And because he's already made some pretty strong cutbacks, it's very difficult to see where those additional savings could come from.